picking up a big log to build a fort is giving you nice resistance to the joints and muscles. Climbing a tree, same thing, getting nice resistance to the joints and muscles. And what that does, it helps you to know where your limbs are in relation to each other, but it also helps you to know how much force to use when playing games like tag without hitting too hard, writing with a pencil without breaking the lead every single time, maybe holding a baby chick without squeezing too hard. And that is done through a lot of heavy work, and that's a natural thing they're getting at Timbernook is they're getting a lot of good heavy work, and so they're going to be more able to know where their limbs are in relation to each other, better sense of body awareness, again, and they'll also be able to pay attention more. So getting a lot of heavy work helps them pay attention in the classroom.